If sales are down, inventory levels are up, if you were to look at a traditional supply and demand curve, that should indicate that prices would be going down, but that's not happening. Hi everyone, Leo Alvarenga here with Good Story, bringing you the real estate market update for Ottawa for November 2025. Sales actually dropped. There was 880 sales this past month of November, which is actually a decrease of 18% from the same time last year. And here's where it gets interesting. Inventory actually has gone up quite a bit. So inventory went up to 3,721 properties that were available at the end of November 2025, which is a 31% increase from that same time last year. So inventory is up. Also, new listings has gone up as well by 10%. So there's more available inventory. Buyers are definitely being more selective right now. If you were to look at a traditional supply and demand curve, that should indicate that prices would be going down, but that's not happening. Average sale price, and I'm talking Ottawa as a general, looking at all the Ottawa Real Estate Board sales, it actually went up to $680,000, which is actually a 2% increase from last year. If you look at the numbers that I just gave you right now, why are they not going down? It's because we were in such a seller's market, right? All the way from 2021. Yes, there was some ups and downs when the rates went up, but at this given point in time, we're actually running with about 4 to 4.2 months of inventory. What does that mean, right? So if you have less than 4 months of inventory, you're in a seller's market. Anywhere between 4 and 6, you're in a balanced market. Anywhere from 6 or more, that's a buyer's market. So in some areas, and this is Ottawa as a general, in generality here, if you're looking at specific neighborhoods, it's interesting, and that's why it's so important to not generalize. It's so important to do your homework if you're looking at buying, selling, etc. Do not listen to headlines. Talk to a professional. Why? Because if you're looking at a property in a specific neighborhood, that property or that neighborhood might only have 2 months of inventory. Guess what? That's a seller's market. So you can actually get more for that property. You can actually list it a little bit higher. Whereas if you're in a neighborhood that unfortunately has 6 or 7 months of inventory, nothing's moving, right? You have one sale a month and you have 12 available. That's 12 months of inventory. Like, you gotta be aggressive with your listing price. If you wanna actually sell it, you gotta be aggressive. And you need someone, a professional, to tell you these things, to kind of look it up, do the research, look at the data, and present the data to you. The market, it really rewards good strategy. You have to talk to a professional. You have to reach out early. If you're looking at doing anything in the new year, this is the perfect time. If there's any work that you might need to do in your home, again, reach us. We can help you with that as well. But without further ado, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and Happy New Year. We'll see you for next month's market update.